Hello everyone, I am back today to show you about this classic tunnel attraction that I recreated with Mindstorm. So this is called the Carousel. So the structure is very simple. We have one motor turning the whole attraction around. There's two axles and a few bricks holding these long ones, and which is holding the horses. As you can see, the horses have their own unique features like the tail, the eyes, etc. So now we have the hub, and now we have a sensor. So this sensor is called the color sensor. As the name suggests, it senses the color and displays it on the app. For example, I have this blue brick. So obviously, if I put it on top of the color sensor, it should display blue. So the way you can check is on the app, the top right corner, there's this color sensor, and below it, it shows the color. So if I put the brick on top, should sense blue, which it is. If I do the same thing with my red block, it should sense red, which is. So the way I've coded it is that my color sensor will be an on and off switch. So what I mean by that is whenever I put my finger on it, it senses the color of my finger and runs the program. So to test the color of your finger, you can put your finger on the color sensor, and whatever color it displays, like over here, for me, it's displaying red. So I'm sure everyone should have the display red if they put their finger on. So the structure again is really simple, but my primary focus is the code. So now here's the code. So the code is a bit different from what I usually do because I want the motor to slowly accelerate and slowly decelerate. Unlike my previous projects like the slap on the hand, it starts at a certain speed. So the first block here is when when color is red. So A is my color sensor, and when it senses red, or when it senses my finger, it should run the program. So under that, there is a set speed to 15. This speed is actually a variable. If you don't know what a variable is, you can check out one of my Scratch videos as I've posted on this. Under that, there's a repeat block. So the D speed, set speed to speed percent. So the D motor is set to the percent of the speed. Right now the speed is 15, so the D motor speed will be 15%. Then I'll start the motor. If speed equal to 65, set speed to 65. That means that this is my certain limit. If the speed is 65, it'll run at that 65. If it's not, it'll wait 0.5 seconds and then it'll gradually increase, like set speed to speed plus 1. So it'll gradually increase. Under that, it'll wait 5 seconds because once it reaches a certain limit, it'll wait 5 seconds and run at that. And then under that, there's repeat 50. Again. But this time, it's the same thing, but this time it slowly decelerates. As here is minus, which is decelerate, but over here it's plus, which is accelerating. So then right here, this is just the background music that'll be played. So just forever playing, but once this block stop all, which means stop the whole program, it will stop. So the reason I have such specific numbers like set speed to 15 or repeat 50 times or set the certain limit as 65. So the reason I set this certain limit to 65 is because I thought 100 was too fast and 65 was just the right speed. I also set the speed to 15 because I thought it was a good starting speed, and the repeat 50 was so it can reach a certain speed in 25 seconds. So the way I got 25 seconds is math. So you do the repeat times the weight. So 50 times 0.5, you get the 25, which is the amount of time it takes to reach 65. So feel free to play around these numbers. I just set this as I thought this was the best. So while running the program, there's a way to track the speed. So over here, at the very right, there's this image that looks like a page. It's called the show/hide card. If you click it, it shows the variable speed. Right now it's at 15 because I just stopped the program. It should always start at 15, like I just put over here. So if I would run the code, it would keep showing the increase by +1 or decrease by -1. So now I'll see this in action. So let me start the program. So as you can see, it's not moving until I put my finger on the color sensor, or it senses red. But you can hear the music because it's executing this block. You can change the music and take away the music. It's all your opinion. So now if I put my finger on it, it starts running. As you can see, it's gradually increasing. And over here, you can see the numbers are slowly going up. So now it reaches a certain limit, which is 65. So now you can see it's staying for 5 seconds. I just put it staying for 5 seconds. Now it's slowly decreasing. You can see it's decreasing by 1. Even here, it shows it's decreasing by 1. Now I stopped everything because I have the stop all block, which is stops the whole program and ends the carousel. Stay tuned for new videos because I'll be making new creations to this new Mindstorm 51515. Thank you.